Becca was here.
You wish what?
I wish Becca was here.
Okay.
Becca.
Let me see that dance you were just doing.
Becca.
You were playing baseball.
I'm not playing baseball. I wish Becca was here.
Okay.
You might.
Take it.
It's a video.
Take it.
It's a video.
Oh my God. Alright, well I'm going to eat your salad. And with anchovies.
Let me see you do the gun show.
Michelle?
No, the gun show.
Oh, the gun show? I know nothing about the gun show. What about your gun show?
Mike, what is you need to go to bed.
I would beat you up.
You're gonna beat me up?
Yeah.
Ah!
Now you have proof.
Okay, let me see you do the gun show.
The gun show?
Yeah.
What about it?
Let me see you.
Oh, you mean this gun show? And I'm not even drunk. That's what sucks about it.
Right.
Sure, bud.
But I'm making you laugh, so that's good. That's cool. All right, end it.
End it? No, show me a little more.
End it.